Hey guys, it's me, Sasan, the Arctic Dungeon Master, but really I'm just a Arctic Dungeon Master. Ha ha ha. Play on words, right? Yeah, huh. How's your quarantine going? I have had a busy quarantine myself. Um, I spent all day working out in the yard, and then I grilled um, some ribs, and they were delicious. Um, but to end the day and to end all my hard work, I had a package come in the UPS, the man in brown, and it was this awesome icon to the realm, the EBERRON, Rising from the Last War. I got a little booster package, and I'm going to unbox it. Um, so there's 44 figures all total. There's only going to be 4 in here. And it looks like they're really pushing the little clawfoot raptor hard. You see him on the cover, and then you see him right here on the side. And, I wouldn't be irritated by getting one of these guys, but I don't know where I would put a raptor in my D&D game, or if I'd ever use one. An artificer, I got a dwarf artificer as well with this. I also got some dwarf minis um, that I bought for my campaign. I'll just show these off. But they're made out of pewter. They're metal, and I got to paint them. I got to figure that out. But that's how my day ended, getting a package in the mail. So I'm gonna open this and yeah, let's see how it goes. Anyhow, like I was saying with the artificer, I can use that, which is what I got him for anyways, to use in my campaign, starting this weekend actually. I gotta do some cutting. My handy dandy knifey. Alright, so right off the bat, I got a pretty big monster. Oh man, this is gonna be funny. Is this another dwarf? Oh, that's too funny. That is way too funny. So, I just got one of these guys. Like, I literally paid for one of these guys. And boom! I guarantee you that if I didn't buy one of these, I would not have gotten the dwarf that I needed for my next campaign. That is too funny. Way too funny. I'm cracking up. Oh, hold on. Pardon my PJs. But I now have 2 of these guys. Boom. Yeah. They can be twins. Hey, how are you doing? I'm doing pretty good. Yay, let's go dwarfing together. I'm just super excited about this guy. Wow. Kind of creepy, nasty looking. It is called an Inkeg. Crazy. I don't even know what his hit points are. I'm going to check to see if I got him in my monster manual. If not, I'm going to have to text my friend and be like, hey, what is the hit points on this dude? And then this is a Dolgaunt. And then a Shifter Artificer. ladies and gentlemen, there you go. So that is what I got out of this Icons of the Realm, EBERRON, Rising from the Last War. That's what I got in this little booster. And yeah, that's what I got. It was cool. I had fun. Hope you did too. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing. I hope your quarantine's going well. Mine's going okay. I finished up a lot of projects today, both on the craft table and out in the yard. So I'm feeling pretty good about myself. In the meantime, like this video, share it, comment on it. Let me know how funny you thought me getting 2 dwarf artificers, one on purpose and one through this booster was. And then share it, subscribe, watch a previous video. Have fun with your quarantine. All right, later, guys.